What's up, guys? So, y'all heard of sky trumpets, and if y'all haven't, what sky trumpets are weird sounds in the sky. Now, there's videos on YouTube all over the place about weird sounds in the sky. Now, I found a local video, and I've actually got a hold of the woman that did the video, and I said, "Can I use your video?" She said, "Sure." So I got full permission to use her video. Now, I'll show you the video, and in this video, there is a paper mill that's around our area. Now, my wife lived in the place where the paper mill is, so close. She lived up on a hill, and you could actually see it. You could hear it releasing the steam and all that stuff throughout the night, but never a sound like this. Now, what you're going to hear is a sound. I'm not going to tell you the sound, because I don't want y'all to be like, "Oh, well, this is when it was." No, I want y'all to listen. Tell me what you think. This is, and then after you listen to it, type in sky trumpets or weird sounds in the sky, and there's similar things around the world. So without further ado, this is the video that I have full permission to use. Thank you to the woman that let me use this video, and tell me exactly what y'all think. And there's a conspiracy that goes behind it, but I'm not going to get all into that stuff. But y'all go ahead and take a listen.
Coming from over there.
What the fuck is that?
Is that?